Hey everyone, welcome to your concise HTML CSS crash course. In this single video, you're going to go from zero to hero, building a solid foundation in web development. Get ready for a rapid-fire session. Let's dive in. First, HTML, the skeleton of the web. The basic structure of any HTML document starts with doc type, HTML. HTML, head, and body. We use semantic tags to give meaning to our content. Think header, main, and footer. Text formatting is simple with H1 for headings, P for paragraphs, A for links, and IMG for images. Next up, user input with forms. Use different input types to get different kinds of data. We can also add validation to ensure the data is correct. Now let's organize data with lists and tables. Unordered lists, UL for bullet points. Ordered lists, OL for numbered items. For structured data, we build tables using table, T-head for the header, TR for rows, TH for table headings, T-body for the body, and TD for data. Time for some advanced HTML. HTML5 APIs let you do amazing things like getting a user's location with the Geolocation API. You can also store data on the user's browser with the Web Storage API using local storage and session storage. Now that we have a solid structure with HTML, let's bring it to life with CSS. CSS is for styling. We write rules with a selector, a property, and a value. We can include CSS inline, internally in a style tag, or externally with a link tag. The CSS box model defines how elements are rendered: content, padding, border, and margin. Let's get into layout techniques. Flexbox is for one-dimensional layouts, perfect for aligning items in a row or column. CSS Grid is for two-dimensional layouts, creating complex grids with rows and columns. Positioning with static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky allows precise control over element placement. Styling with selectors. Pseudo-classes like hover let you style an element based on its state. Pseudo-elements like before and after let you insert content for styling purposes. CSS variables, or custom properties, let you store reusable values like colors and fonts. To make the table visually appealing, let's style it up. Responsive design is crucial for modern websites. Media queries apply different styles based on screen size. Use relative units like EM, VW, and percent to create fluid layouts that scale with the user's screen. Let's add some life with animations. Transitions smoothly animate property changes on an element. For more complex movement, use keyframe animations. You define stages of an animation, and CSS takes care of the rest. And now, for some of the most advanced and tricky techniques. Ready to level up? CSS preprocessors like Sass and Less add powerful features like variables and nested rules, making your CSS more organized and maintainable. Advanced selectors and combinators let you target elements with extreme precision. The general sibling combinator tilde and adjacent sibling combinator plus are super powerful. Accessibility is more than just a buzzword. Expert-level knowledge of ARIA helps you build complex, fully accessible components like modal windows and sliders. Modern approaches include powerful CSS libraries like Tailwind CSS. This framework uses a utility-first approach to build designs directly in your HTML. The BM naming convention helps you write clean, scalable CSS with block, element, and modifier names. Finally, performance optimization. Techniques like critical CSS ensure the most important styles load instantly. and will change helps optimize animations. This is just a glimpse of what's possible. Our full HTML and CSS mastery course is currently in development, a comprehensive program designed to turn you into a modern front-end expert, ready for any project. If you found this quick guide helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone learning to code, and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when the full course launches. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you're going to build with your new HTML and CSS skills? Happy coding!